10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have liftoff.
Just take up the nominal.
H3 battery discharge is nominal.
And there we have it. Our 25th Electron launch vehicle is off the pad for this mission and progressing well on its way to low Earth orbit. Soon the vehicle will approach the point in its journey when it experiences the most amount of stress, maximum aerodynamic pressure, which is known as max Q.
And there we have it. We have word from Mission Control that we can confirm that Electron has successfully passed through max Q and is continuing on its southeastern trajectory off the coast of New Zealand. The first stage's Rutherford engines are firing perfectly as we come up to the next major milestone ahead of the first separation event for Electron.
AOS Chatham Station.
We're approaching main engine cutoff, or MECO. This is when Electron throttles down just a bit before shutting off those 9 Rutherford engines on stage 1 we mentioned earlier. This reduction in thrust allows for a clean separation of the first and second stages before the singular Rutherford engine on the second stage fires up and takes the satellites the rest of the way into orbit. We should see both of those actions on screen and hear the call-outs from our operators and Mission Control shortly.
MECO confirmed.
Stage separation confirmed.
Stage 2 ignition.
There we go. We have confirmed a successful transition from the first to second stages of Electron's flight, with MECO, stage separation and second stage ignition all nominal. You can now see the orange glow of the space-optimized Rutherford engine as it carries on into space.
The protective shell at the top of Electron, known as the payload fairing, protects the satellites as the vehicle launches through Earth's atmosphere. Since we've now cleared the lower atmosphere, those satellites don't need that protection anymore. In fact, we need to jettison that protective shell so we can safely deploy the satellites to low Earth orbit.
Bottom holding nominal.
There goes the payload fairing. BlackSky's satellites are now exposed to space, no longer needing this shell to protect them, as Electron has already punched through Earth's atmosphere to take them to their orbital destination. We've got a short time gap now between this latest event and the next one coming up for Electron's second stage, which involves swapping out the batteries that power the second stage Rutherford engine. The mission is continuing nominally as we approach that next milestone, with the second stage traveling at nearly 9,000 kilometers an hour at an altitude of 139 kilometers.